Hey guys, back with another unboxing here. This time it's going to be of my Cooler Master CM Storm Quickfire. It's the mechanical keyboard, obviously by Cooler Master. The reason I decided to go with this one over my current keyboard, which is non-mechanical, is just the overall size of it. I have smaller hands, so for me the Death Stalker, which is a good gaming keyboard, just isn't quite cutting it for me. This keyboard I find myself being able to reach for G and H and 6 through 7 and 8 much easier than it was previously on any other keyboard. So here's a quick unboxing of that, guys. Pretty basic keyboard packaging. So it does have the mechanical Cherry MX switches. It's very small. Just overall, I just love the feeling of the keyboard. When I tried it out at Fry's, that's where I actually picked it up. It was $94.99, which, you know, in the keyboard world isn't that horrible, I guess, comparative to some of the other models out there. Get you the side shot of it. There's the barcode. Here's still same thing on the side here. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open here. Alright guys, so inside of it we've got the key features, which I will go over later. It's just all, you know, boring stuff. A USB to PS2 or PS, I think that's what the, oh, whatever. Nevertheless, ancient, won't be using that. If you're still using those, I don't know why you'd buy a $100 mechanical keyboard, buy a new computer. Here's the tough part. It's always trying to get it out of the packaging, which is always tough. Just a second here. Alright guys, and there it is. That's it right there. In my opinion, this is my ideal keyboard. Very nice keys. Oh man, I love that sound. So yeah guys, that's it. I mean, pretty basic. Nothing else in the box, it doesn't look like. Nothing important at least. Oh. And then of course the cable, which is detachable, which is nice. That's cool to see. And then just some extra keys, you know, the gaming keys for optimal gaming performance. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the unboxing of my Cooler Master CM Storm Quickfire, guys. And hey, thanks for checking it out. Appreciate it.